Hello there. I'm happy and excited to see you here. My name is Jeta Opopola and I work for Taisha Associates. And in Taisha Associates, we help entrepreneurs and business owners like you to build and grow their businesses through accounting and bookkeeping, taxation, which includes complying with regulatory activity, business advisory services, company secretarial services, and other allied areas. Today, I'd like to share with you on how to use management reporting to increase your profit and save money. What is management reporting? It's just reports that are generated for the use of managers to run the organizations, make business decisions, and monitor progress. Management reports enables managers to have detailed information about their departments and their business. If you are owner manager, management reports will enable you to have detailed information about the operations of your business. And this is only made possible through management accounting. Management accounting is the process of preparing reports about business operations that can help managers and owners both in short term and long term, which means it can help them to make both short-term and long-term decisions. It helps businesses to pursue their goals, their objectives, by identifying, measuring, analyzing, interpreting, and communicating informations to people who are to make decisions, managers. Then the question is, what are management reports used for? Well, I told you earlier on that they are used for decision making by identifying informations about the operations of business and passing that information to the management with the purpose of making decisions. And this is done especially for businesses to look at their key performance indicators. We know that profit is one of the key performance indicators. But do you know that the efficiency of your machine, of the human resources, can affect your profit? And that's where management report is very, very essential. The machine you run, is it being run at full capacity? Is there something affecting that machine? All these things will be stated in the management report. And that's why the use of management report is to find out what is happening to the resources being used by the business. How is the operations being carried out? Is there any room where improvement can be made? Mostly in the area of cost and expenses, so that money can be saved. I'd like to let you see the benefits of management reporting. What are the advantages that big companies are enjoying that is making them to be ahead of the small businesses? Number one is decision making. When you have good management reports, you are able to make good decisions that improves the operations, that increase profits, and that save money. So decision making is the first advantage, and that's why you see big companies quickly adapting to changes in the environment because they have good management reports. Number 2 is planning. Management reports help in adequate planning, both short term and long term. Because when you have good management reports, you are able to know the resources, you are able to know where you can improve, you are able to know where technology is taking your business to. And that's why it's important that you have good management reports. We all know what happened in the printing industry. Some people were just wiped out in a matter of time because of technology, and because they are not they don't have good reports, management reports, to take decisions. And also in some other areas too, planning, it helps in adequate planning. Once you know what is happening now, you can be able to know how do we position ourselves in future. Number 3 is it helps in controlling business operations. It helps in controlling business operations. Before business operation starts going out of hands, before they start eating deep into the profit, if you have good management reports, you will have found a way of controlling it. You have found a way of seeing how to tackle it. No wonder it's not difficult for some companies when COVID-19 came, because they have been able to assess the job descriptions of their staff. Some staff were quickly placed on working from home, and they continue making money. It is information the management reports provides that enables you to do this. Number 4 is organizing. You are able to organize your business in an efficient manner. When you have good management reports, you are able to see which area is lacking, which area there is deficiency, and you are able to attack it and organize properly. Number 5 is understanding the financial data. In fact, management reports will enable you to really understand the financial data. I participated in a board meeting recently, and at that board meeting, one of the directors raised a question, and the question he raised, because the MD, through management reports, is abreast of what is going on, he could give very, very good explanation to that question. This is because he understood the financial data. And so that's why if you're a small business owner, you need to understand financial data, and that's what is happening to small businesses. Number 6, I think, is management reports helps you to identify business problem area. You are able to identify business problem area. Is it in the area of not having adequate, competent manpower? Is it in the area of machine? Is it in the area of marketing? Management reporting enables you to identify the problem areas. And once you identify a problem, solution is at the corner. Lastly, another benefit of management reporting is that it makes you to have is strategic management. Strategic management. When you are having management reports, it enables you to look at the future. It enables you to position yourself. It enables you to know where you are going and how to get there. So, management reports or management reporting is very, very essential, very, very key to running your business. And I want you to know, management reporting is concerned about the future. Is concerned about looking at the present, looking at the defects, looking at the opportunity. In fact, you can sum it up by SWOT analysis. Looking at your strength as a business, looking at the weaknesses, looking at the opportunities in the environment and the threats in the environment, and be able to position yourself. That's one of the key things that management reporting does. And management reporting ensure that your business is sustainable. One more thing, you cannot have good management reporting if you lack good records. That is why I want you to subscribe to our accounting and bookkeeping service so that you can have good records which can provide you good information which can help you in making decisions, in planning, in strategizing for your business. Thank you for listening. Until I come your way next week, I still remain Data Opokuola. But before you go, if you are watching on YouTube, subscribe to our channel and click that bell so that when next we have a new video, you can be notified. And if you are watching us on Facebook, especially our Facebook page, why don't you like our page so that you can be part of our community? Once more, thank you. I see you again.